Hey everybody, how you doing? Just wanted to put out a video pertaining to windows. A little side note, the home that I'm standing in is a home that we're building for a couple who used to live in the Foxconn build area. As many of you know what's happening there right now, there are a lot of people that were displaced from the homes that they lived in. And this particular home that we're building, we're duplicating the exact home that this couple built 12 years ago. And sad story with a happy ending, because what we're doing is duplicating the exact same house and pretty much doing everything the same. Same paint colors, flooring, cabinets, the exact same layout. I mean, everything. But one of the things that we are doing differently are the windows. They look the same as the windows that they had in their old house, but we're using vinyl windows in the new house. So the window company that we use, they make a window. The window brand is Alliance. It's made by a company called Midway, located out of Illinois. And there's some fairly custom things that they can do with the window. One of the things that they can do is a black exterior. So your windows on the outside, the grids, the frame of the window is black. And that's kind of a trending thing right now. You'll see our Pareto Homes model will have white siding, black windows. It's a cool look right now. And then there's other colors that they offer as well. Or maybe you have white trim on the inside of your house, but you want to do a darker color scheme on the outside. So maybe you want white on the inside of the window, but then on the outside of the window you want tan or a dark tan, something to match that dark color scheme. So that's something that this window company can do. Now the standard window is either white or tan, and most people are just choosing the white or the tan depending on the trim color that they're doing on the inside of their house. But for about $100 a window, you can do that different color exterior with a white interior, which is really nice. We've done that on some of our last few model homes. And one of the other things that they do is they give a wood look grain interior, and that's something that I'm going to show you in this video right now. So this particular finish that's on the inside of this window, and this is a crank out or a casement window, but this particular finish on the window is cherry. So cherry is the wood species. There's this color, there's oak, and I think there's one other one. So they offer 3 different colors that you can pick from. Depending on the trim color that you're going to do in the house, one of the 3 is going to work better. And in this case, the trim color that they wanted in their house is a color called saddle, which matches the cabinets that you can see behind me. And the cherry wood color for the Alliance windows had the best match. And the wood look isn't just, vinyl slapped onto vinyl. It's not just a smooth vinyl with a fake wood grain look. It actually has graining embossed into the window. And what that means is it feels like wood. So the graining is actually like carved in to the window. Here's the actual window unit itself. You can see it looks more realistic, it feels more realistic. But the grids inside the window, the inside of the grid from what you see on the inside of the house, also has that wood look and matches the same color as the rest of the window. So let's take a look at it. So here's a close-up of the window grid as you see it from the inside of the house. And you can see it's got that same wood graining on it. Okay, again, you can see the wood jambs for the window match the same color as the cabinets in the home, which is this saddle color here. That's on the window jamb. So this is a window jamb. And you can see it also runs up along the side of the window as well. Here's the actual window unit itself. I like the dark color locks. They look good against the wood color here. But one of the nice things is that you do have texture here. This actually gives a pretty good view behind me. You can see the window seat is the saddle stain color, and then the window frame itself is also that stain color. It just gives the window a nice rich look, because again, the wood windows are a lot more money than the vinyl windows. However, if you choose to do this wood look interior finish, instead of paying double, let's say all of the windows for this house were $10,000. To do a real wood window, you're gonna pay $20,000 for those windows. Plus, they're gonna need a lot more maintenance. So if you do get any sweating or condensation, or you get the sash wet because the window was open when it rained, you gotta make sure that that stays dry. You may have to sand and refinish it. With vinyl, it's no maintenance. So for a few $1,000s more, you can get that same exact look as opposed to doubling what the expense for the windows are and having more maintenance with it. So for me, this is a win-win. It's a lot better to see these in person, but I just wanted to get the information out there so that you're aware of it when it comes time to build your house. We're gonna head over to our model home where we did white exterior, white siding on the exterior, and then black exterior for the window. And then because we did white trim on the inside of the house, we did a white interior for the window. So the window we're gonna go look at is a white interior with a black exterior. We'll go check that. But behind me is a look at the black exterior for the windows. This particular window, we've got shutters on the side. We've got a black window box that we're gonna put some flowers in here, but the black exterior for the window, and then we'll take a look at the interior. This and the last house we showed you with the wood look interior are just two of the cool options that you can do with our windows. On the inside of the home where we've got the white interiors, we did that because we've got white trim work on the inside, but we still wanted that dark look on the outside. So a couple of cool things you can do and should know about windows before it comes time to build. Thanks for watching.